So we're getting all these pots ready. We filled them up with really nice soil from the woods, a bunch of leaf compost. And we're gonna take the survivors over here of my little propagation experiment. A lot of them died because I put fertilizer on them and I was not supposed to. But we have some survivors. We have about 100 that survived. You can see here. And I'm going to take that 100 and put them in the pots. We're going to get them all potted and hopefully that'll help them to get going.
Using the dirt in the bucket.
Yeah, filling our pots. Getting the lavender going. Thank you. That's a great idea.
Starting now.
We're taking out our propagated lavender and look at these fantastic roots. These are going to be great plants. I burned a lot of them by using fertilizer that I shouldn't have, but a lot survived. So we're getting them all into their own buckets now.
Well, it's getting watered every day.
Just stayed like
Oh, we've got some good looking ones here.
I know.
Let's do it. See, this one's no good. But every now and again, you pull one up. Oh, that one's good. That looks dead on top, but it was alive down below, so I'm checking every single one. Nice. Okay, now we're gonna be cooking with gas.
Yep, that's my guess.
Just have to wash this down, I guess.
Yeah, hold it. Right, I'm on this one.
These 3 are done, huh?
10 hours of work is
Nice and it's handy.
Can you get Mom another tray?
Okay. Oh, smoking.
Some juices. Juicy fruit.
Juicy fruit. Gonna smooth ya.
I don't think it smooths you, honey. It gets right to ya.
Did you ever hear that song, Luke, for gum?
The taste, the taste, the taste, the taste.
It's kind of funny that there used to be commercials for gum.
So stupid.
Like, they used to sell it for like 19 cents a pack, you know?
So for lavender, you want the pH of the soil to be around 7. 6 to 7 is fine. So we have our little pH meter here. Stick that in. This is the soil that I got out of the woods. So you put it in. It was down below the 8. All right, we're at a solid 7.5, so that's really close. Not bad at all. I like to use a knife to get these out. I just kind of scoop underneath. Many of these are dead, but many of them still have good roots as well. So I'm gonna do one at a time. Sometimes it'll look like it's dead, but it's not. If it has good roots, I will keep it. Like this one, yeah, there's still life in this one. This one has some decent roots. so I'm going to keep him. This one, no. This one's a goner. 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 Oh, this one looks promising. I feel the resistance. Yeah! Some good roots of resistance. That's how you know. Alright, that one's done. 1, 2. 2 sad little plants, but I have a good feeling about them. I think that just a little bit of time and some good soil, some sunshine, they're gonna be just fine. We just got this little burner called a Flame Forte. Just got it on Amazon. Does the job.
What do you think?
I think we'll be able to put that back in the hole when we plant.
Okay.
How's the gravel coming?
Plastic.
Oh, that's great.
Well, what did I do?
It's good. We're getting the gravel for the lavender, and we're getting the gravel away from here where it's been blocking the grass all these years.
Before I waste any more energy, let's plant them out.
All right, so I did a handful of stuff, and I did some soil, and then a little bit more.
Of what? Perlite?
Yeah, and then you said you want it mounded a little, right?
Like, I think if it's up tiny bit, that's too much though.
That's too much?
I think so. Just look, where did all that extra dirt come from? That's gonna really squish down, I think, isn't it?
Yeah, probably.
Okay, so I'll do these guys. I mean, what I could do, I could just get the weed whacker and trim it now one last time.
I think that would be helpful. Okay, so we got all the phenomenal in. We got 10 phenomenal variety in. And then we have 6 Hidcoats. So the phenomenal and Hidcoat are both English varieties. And then when they start to get silver there, that is a cross variety between English and French. And this is the French Grosso. So next we're going to put some of this nice gravel down. Got a big bucket of gravel here that the kids dug up. We just had a bunch of gravel by the back door that's been keeping the grass from growing anyway. So the kids dug it up for us. We're gonna put it around like the base of every single plant. And that is gonna keep the weeds down on those little dirt patches. And then it's also gonna keep moisture away from the bottom leaves. As the plant grows, the leaves are going to be kind of sitting down on the ground, and if there's no contact with soil, that's really good. It keeps the mildew down. So we're going to give it a little circle of gravel on every plant. All right, I think that looks good. All right, that's it for this lavender bed here. We got in the 3 different varieties. Got the nice little gravel base. Joel's just melting the edge of a little more fabric. We have 5 or 6 extra holes down there that we're gonna cover up until we have more plants. But it looks nice.